to find out the truth is already destabilization. Di ba, part and parcel yan sa ating democracy. In fact, freedom of expression, ang pinaka core or spirit ng freedom of expression is to find out the truth.
At bukod sa hindi nga daw otorisado, bahagi daw ng destabilization plot itong gagawing hearing na ito.
Bakit ba to find out the truth is already destabilization? Di ba, part and parcel yan sa ating democracy. In fact, freedom of expression, ang pinaka core or spirit ng freedom of expression is to find out the truth. Yan yung philosophical basis ng freedom of expression as expressed in the case of US versus Abrams. To find out the truth in the marketplace of ideas.
Opo, opo. Pero ang problema, attorney, o yung malaking hamon pala, nagbabala mismo itong NBI Director na si Matibag na maaring maharap po sa mga kasong perjury, libel, defamation at maging usurpation of authority yung mga kalahok saan ay hindi lehitimong Blue Ribbon na hearing daw kung mapapatunayang wala itong legal na batayan. Anong masasabi po ninyo doon?
Well, if that is his thinking, gawin niya yun. Depende na yan sa mga senators kung they will blink. Pero kung they will really, if they are really true to their what they swore before they became senators, to serve the country, to faithfully follow the Constitution, I don't think so na matatakot sila sa ganung mga threats sa gobyerno.
Ang nakakalungkot din, attorney, kasi mismo ang Malacanang, ang mga government agencies, ang kinikilala ay itong Gatchalian na black at hindi po itong Cayetano black na Blue Ribbon na hearing. Anong maging problema po nito?
Hindi naman kailangan, Jade, na Malacanang ang mag-recognize. Ang mag-recognize nito ay ang konstitusyon.
Yes.
Kasi kung ang mag-recognize ay Malacanang, so wala nang separation of powers nito. Ang ating gobyerno is being designed na yung powers are being distributed among the three branches of government. The executive, headed by the president, the judiciary, headed by the Supreme Court, and the legislative branch, headed by the Senate President and the Speaker. Each has its own separate domain. Now, hindi po pwede na kailangan i-recognize ka sa isang department para lang to gain your legitimacy. Ang nagbibigay ng legitimacy nito, what is ordained by the Constitution. And the Constitution says the Congress may elect its officers, the Senate President and the Speaker, by the majority of all the members of each chamber. So malinaw na yung Cayetano Black being elected by 13 has the basis, has the constitutional basis to become the leader, to become the block of the Senate, to lead the Senate being elected by the majority of all its members.
Opo, attorney. Itong gagawing investigasyon kung sana matutuloy na Blue Ribbon hearing, yung mga testigo pong lalabas, attorney, sa tingin po ninyo, ito ang kanilang mga testimonya ay magiging matibay na basihan laban po doon sa mga opisyal na gobyernong nasasangkot o masasangkot nga dito sa maanomaliang flood control projects?
Jay, dili tayo mag-prejudge. Kaya nga may investigation. Kasi in the investigation, yung side ng mga accuser marinig natin at saka yung side ng mga being accused ay marinig din natin. That is the essence of debate in the marketplace of ideas. Para matingnan natin yung thesis, antithesis, para makabuo tayo ng synthesis. So, it's not fair to prejudge na talagang credible yan. That's why may hearing to subject it to the test of credibility. And the way of testing it is by way of cross-examination, confronting these witnesses with documents, with kontra yung opposing testimonies ng witnesses na pwede ring i-present to oppose their narrative para taong bayan maka-gauge kung sino ang nagsasabi na totoo. At hindi ito contest, Jade, ng sinong popular at hindi popular. Ang bottom line dito ay yung katotohanan. Kasi the truth is, at hindi ito ma-dispute, the truth is we are being stolen. The country, the people are being robbed, stolen, with a huge amount of money that would have been spent, better spent, in building hospitals, in building bridges, roads, lahat ng mga pangangailangan natin nawawala dahil sa corruption. Yung flood control anomaly na hindi pa nangyayari sa ating kasaysayan, sa ating bansa. Unprecedented yan. Yan ang talagang dapat natin bibigyan ng focus. Dapat all of us must concentrate our efforts to finding out the truth. Kasi tayo ang naagrabyado dito, Jade. So hindi ito contest ng popularity. Kung sino ba sikat, kay Tano Black ba o Gatchalian Black. Dapat Pilipinos, yung karapatan natin. We are already betrayed. We are already a broken nation. We are a betrayed nation. Dapat ipaglaban nila ito kasi sila ang inaasahan natin na binibigyan natin ng poder to protect us. Ang masakit nito ay mismong leaders natin na binibigyan natin ng tiwala to lead us ay parang they appear to be the stumbling block of finding out the truth.
Oo. Bago ko ipasa kay Part Admar, dugtungan ko lang yung sinabi po ninyo, attorney, kasabay ng tanong na rin, na bakit para bang may mga attempts talaga na pinipigilan. Dapat sana hindi sa labas ng Senado yung gagawing investigasyon. Dahil nga mahigpit yung security po doon, tsaka pinapa-work from home yung mga tao, mga empleyado. Kaya nagkakaroon po ng mga ganitong mga investigation na sana ay doon mismo sa loob. Pero nakikita po, anong tingin po ninyo? Bakit may mga attempts na talagang pinipigilan itong hearing ng Blue Ribbon?
Jade, alam mo na ang rason nito eh. You've been a witness, you have seen it, you have felt it. Nakita natin talaga, this is not new to us. That alam natin talaga, masakit ito dahil tanong mo kung anong rason? Because they're afraid of the truth. Maybe the truth will destroy them.
Attorney, maayong hapon. May mundag.
May buntag, Admar,
Preto.
Idol
Opo.
Admar.
Opo, dito tayo sa usapin naman po, attorney, na parang meron silang mga suggestion, lalo na yung nasa House Prosecution, na parang ano ba ang tingin mo rito? Yung gusto nila na ibaba, yung mga hindi payagan na bumoto, yung mga hindi dadalo sa impeachment trial naman po yung pag-usapan natin. Yung iba din nagsuggest na sundin daw yung botohan na nangyari sa Avellino versus sa Cuenco para dito nga po sa impeachment trial po na ito na hindi na masusunod yung 2/3 nito. Bababaan daw ang threshold nito, attorney, na masasabi niyo po rito?
Desperate attempt na yan, Admar. They don't have the numbers. Kaya gumagawa sila ng mga paraan. Abilino versus Quinco is not an appropriate case in this particular situation because in that case, wala ngang sinabi ng Constitution under the 1935 Constitution. It does not state na kailangan yung Senate President must be elected by all the members of the Senate. Yung word all. Now, yung 2/3 naman to convict and impeach official. Sabi naman ng Constitution, 2/3 of all its members. So nandiyan palagi ang word na all. Na kung all ang denominator niyan is 24. Hindi yan change.
Opo. Attorney, kayo po ba'y nanghihinayang na wala pong kumo-question dito nga po sa nangyari ngayon dyan sa Senado kung sino nga ba yung lehitimo, sino yung bastardo na faction, attorney?
Dapat nga, ang mag-question dyan yung, di ba, mayroon mang nag-question dyan apparently in favor of the Gatchalian Bloc. Unfortunately, it was dismissed with the Supreme Court for lack of standing. So, ang Cayetano Bloc should not question it because nandiyan naman ang Constitution sa kanila. The Constitution says the Senate President shall be elected by the majority of all the members of the Senate. So 13 senators elected Senator Cayetano. Therefore, he has the constitutional mandate to become the Senate President.
Opo, kasi...
So hindi sila ang bastardo.
Opo, meron kasing mangyayari din pong special session, pero kumbaga parang kakaiba ito sa nakasanayan na special session ay pinapatawag ng Pangulo dahil malimit lang itong pinapatawag pag may pinaka-urgent talaga, no, na dapat na may pasang batas, lalo na yung pagpupondo sa panahon ng emerhensiya, kagaya po noong panahon ng pandemya nung may kailangang ipasang batas, no, Bayanihan Act yung tawag doon dati. Pero ito nga po, though malinaw ba sa Constitution or sa batas natin kung hanggang saan lang sasaklaw yung special session, attorney?
Urgent matters, sabi yan. Under the Constitution, the President may call at any time Congress to a special session to address urgent matters or emergency concerns that need immediate legislative action. I don't know how they will define urgent matter.
At marami ang posibleng mangyari kahit hindi nakasaad doon sa kanyang proclamation, attorney. Kahit na yung reorganization, hindi mapipigilan dito po sa special session na ito, attorney.
Well, let us cross the bridge. We'll get there. Call yan ng Congress, ng Senate.
Ang isa din sa
Don't know
possible
what
na
they
problem
are
dyan,
doing.
sino yung magpe-preside, attorney, ng special session?
Problema na yan. Admar, talagang malikot talaga yung utak mo. Kailangan ko dyan sa Senate, Admar, para magka-problema sila.
Attorney,